Ooh, smell that. Nice. I think I'm gonna have the ginger carrot wake up. That sounds great. Nice. Oh, that looks great. What to choose? What to choose? We are at Lumpini Park. Can you believe this is in the middle of the city? Kind of like Central Park. We're sitting on a bench next to one of the lakes and just relaxing, drinking some water because it is hot again. But way down there, we see the little duck boats that you can take right around the lake, so we might do that. But we're on the lookout for some lizards. I love this. So we're here on a Sunday and everybody's out here. There's some joggers, walkers, there's families. This is fantastic. Everybody stays really active here. I think this is pretty cool. They have these little areas where you can picnic with your family, and I guess it has like coolers. Bring your ice and have a nice day in the park with your family. Okay, so we are going to take the subway, which is called the MRT. We're going to head over to the mall and get some AC. Right, so we got our tokens and went down the escalator and we're on platform 2 and we're gonna take the train to Sukhumvit and we'll have to walk a little bit from there to get to the mall. But, oh, here comes the train.
Doors closing. Please stand back from the doors. Thank you. Train doors open on flight. Passengers can connect to the line at this station.
So each step burns calories. I think I'll still take the escalator. Don't pass out. Only suckers take the stairs.
Suckers walk. Okay, we just got out of the subway. Mixture of old and new Thailand over here.
Yeah, pizza and donuts. Where we're going, Terminal 21. It's a very popular mall here. They have tons of malls here. They're like little cities. But we're gonna go enjoy the AC and get something to eat. Alright, so we came up to one of the sky bridges. Lets you cross the street safely. Or you can cross the street down there. These are cool because they're covered. Especially since it rains here a lot. Guess what else is near here? Soy Cowboy. So there's an entrance directly to the mall from the sky bridge. Pretty cool.
So we're at Terminal 21 shopping mall, and there's 7 levels, right, David? And each one is named after a different country, like Istanbul there, or a different city. We got Rome over there, Tokyo over here. Yeah, so, and here's all the clocks. So this mall just keeps going up and up. And we're gonna hit the food court and check it out. This mall is crazy, y'all. We're in search for the food court, but it just keeps going up and up. So this is the dining guide. I'm sure my baby already got it. Follow your hunger. But all these places are in the food court. So we got to go up to 5th floor, San Francisco. Oh man, we got shrimp over there. There's all kinds of, yeah, too much. Yeah, it's got all your Western stores over here. And then some spins on their own. Again, going up and up.
We're at Pier 21, which is part San Francisco, part food court. Every floor is a different theme. So for San Francisco, they have an actual Golden Gate Bridge with cars on it. And then this is a huge 2-story food court. And they've got just about everything you could want. This is so cool. This is absolutely amazing.
Go, we're way up pretty. Look how high we are over here. This mall is crazy. So the problem is with these food places, just like an American food court, I mean, this blows it away. There's hundreds of food places over here. So trying to find somewhere we both can get something to eat. But if you just look over here, we got roasted duck, noodle and gravy, stir-fried noodles, steak and rice. It's good. And this is crazy over here, the amount of food and choices you got. Stewed pork leg, look at it. Everything is in English as well. So we got, yeah, so this is Pier 21 and the Terminal 21 food court. And when you come over here, you have to get a ticket over here, a coupon.
Let's do that.
So we just got a 100 baht food card here, and that's how you pay. Get over here, and yeah, we'll show you what we got here in a minute.
All right, so we're gonna get that right there. It looks delicious. Look at that pile of eggs. Alright, here's mine. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. This looks very spicy. Alright, let's go. Oh wow, that looks yummy. I'm gonna have that mixed berry. That looks delicious.
Mixed berry.
And a straw. They even got games here. Keep the husband busy while the wife shops. This is awesome. Ooh, Mario Kart. Awesome. Guess this is where you buy the tokens. Automatic coin machine. Awesome. It was another incredible day. Up next, we continue our exploration of Bangkok on foot and by boat on a dinner cruise.